Did you know some birds build intricate nests? In the next few seconds, you'll learn about the amazing architecture of bird nests. Meet the weaver bird. It constructs complex, woven nests hanging from trees. The bowerbird is an artist. It decorates its nest with colorful objects to attract a mate. The bald eagle builds massive nests, some weigh up to a ton. Hummingbirds create tiny, delicate nests. They're made from spider silk and plant fibers. Swallows use mud to craft sturdy homes. Each bird species has a unique approach. These incredible structures serve as shelter and protection. Nature's tiny architects never cease to amaze. Have you noticed any unique nests around you? Let us know in the comments. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more fascinating facts about nature.